Hello viewers, राजे चिजदकड़ू the English sentences with Pashto translation. पदे sentences के बमुंगा hide इस्तेमालो. Sentences these among sara don't hide please. Don't hide please. मेहरबानी उकड़े मा पटवे. I was hiding. I was hiding. Zo pat uma. We are hiding. Mung pat you. We are hiding. She likes to hide money. She likes to hide money. Khaga पैसे पटवल ख्वखई. Asad is hiding. Asad is hiding. Asad patigi. We will hide it. We will hide it. Mumbai patklu. Mumbai patklu. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Aya taso patye. Hide the money. Hide the money. पैसे पटिकड़े. I have to hide. Zo ba patkram. Ali is hiding. Ali is hiding. Ali padde. I will hide in here. I will hide in here. Zuba dalta patsham. We were not hiding. We were not hiding. Mung pat no. Munga pat no. Viewers, subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.